Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing great today. As you guys can see in the title, it is a Halloween costume outfit idea that I'm bringing you guys today. We all know Halloween is the time for us to get dressed up, look like what we normally don't look like on a regular day. So yeah, I just said let me bring you guys some style that I have picked up. I bought 3 of this outfit from Fashionnova, and I will let you guys know the one that I bought from Fashionnova, and the other 2 I did buy from my local store here in San Antonio. It's actually all over Texas. It's the Spirit of Halloween. So they do have a website. I will link something for all the things that I have. If they have it on their website, I'll link it for you guys. But I'm pretty sure Fashionnova also have a couple of these outfit that I'm gonna try on for you guys. So if you want to see how it goes, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to check out the video. Guys, I need your help. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before December 24th, 1st of this year will be a whole year I've been on YouTube, and I really would like to get to that goal of 1,000 before the end of this year. If you guys will love your girl, I would appreciate it if you're helping me out. All right guys, let's get into the video. Guys, this is the first outfit that I got. This one is from the Spirit of Halloween. It is this, it says special op officer. This jumpsuit right here, you can actually wear this jumpsuit as a regular outfit. Like, I put this outfit on and I was like, damn, if not that it has all these patches on it, honestly this would have been a great outfit to wear on its own. Actually very beautiful, very nice, stretchy. I got this in a small, which is size 2 to 6. Very stretchy, very nice. Like I told you guys, I will link everything in the description box. This Halloween costume comes with the jumpsuit, the armband, the knives, the arm and leg ties, the badge, belt with buckle, belt, bracelet, bullet, bracelets, and handcuffs. This outfit is the bomb jiggity. I love it, guys. It looks so cute and so nice. I'll go ahead and put it on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, what y'all think? This is the cop. This is the one that says special op officer. If I come to arrest you, would you give up? Would you just give up and let me just arrest you and let's keep it moving? Put the cuffs on you, because I'm gonna use all my bullets. If you run, I'm gonna take my knife out and throw it on you, okay? Like I told you guys, it did come with 2 knives. It came with the handcuff and it came with bullets, bracelets, and everything. Man, I think I'm liking this more than I'm supposed to. I really think I'm liking it more than I'm supposed to. For real. This is so cute, and I bought the gun separately. I was looking for a black one, but I couldn't find a black one, so. Okay guys, the next one that I got is this nun outfit right here. I hope the Lord forgive your girl on this one, okay? But I couldn't pass this out. I definitely know Fashionnova has this one, so if I can't find it on Spirit of Halloween on their website, I will definitely link the one from Fashionnova for you guys. This beautiful one, no, focus on me. This one right here, oh my God, it says is the Bad Habit Nun, and it includes the dress, the headband, and the arm warmer. It doesn't come with the socks. I have to buy the socks on its own, but I'm not sure if Fashionnova ones also came with the socks, but I would definitely hook it up for you guys so you guys can go shopping. I got the whole outfit, guys. I got everything, and I got a Bible. God, please forgive me. I just God forgive your girl on this one. But let me put this on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the nun outfit. I feel like God should just please forgive me on this one because girl, this is real sinful. Okay, I bought the socks separately, the outfit and everything came together. I bought the Bible too separately. It's just a box, okay? I'm a Christian, I ain't gonna mug the Bible like that. This is just a box. It said the Bible of Holy Hamad, okay? Oh, she definitely hammered, okay? She real hammered on this one. She drunk AF, okay? And we all know nuns are all holier than thou. They don't do anything sinful. So it did come with that little, you know, headgear thingy. Looks like this. You guys gonna need like a cover to cover this up, okay? Because your nips gonna be showing a little bit. I'm trying to cover it as much as I can. But yeah, this is this one right here. Kind of like it. The socks will roll down. The socks is one size fit all, and you guys know I have thunder and fire over here. They ain't gonna be let me be great, but other than that, this is such a beautiful Halloween costume. The dress is pretty short too, so if you want, you could just wear like a regular tights under this one, so everything can be covered up. But this is what this one looks like. Kind of like it. I ain't a nun, never thought of being a nun in any way, shape or form, but the Lord should visit me on this one. Okay guys, the next three that I'm going to show you guys is from Fashionnova. So this one is a party like the 20s. This is like back to the 20s. I went somewhere about maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago and I saw this older lady dress something similar, but she doesn't have the outfit on. She has a long hair because she's an older lady and she looked fabulous, and I'm like, that would be a good Halloween costume. So I went ahead to Fashionnova and I got this right here. It might not be showing very well, but I got this one right over here. It's a nice, beautiful bodysuit. It said the packaging comes with the romper, headgear, and the gloves. Oh my days. This right here look so freaking good, guys. I went ahead and I paired with the nice tights under it because, girl, it is a little bit short. So I paired with the black tie under it. It comes with everything right here. And I think it came with the cigarette thingy. I'm not sure. But we'll make it work, guys. This is such a beautiful, beautiful outfit with the boa and everything. I bought the boa and everything was looking like I went back to the 20s. Ain't nobody from the 20s. But this makes me look so cute and so sexy. Such a beautiful, beautiful Halloween costume. I'm gonna put it on and I'll be right back. Ooh. This is the party like the 20s outfit, the costume. What y'all think? Lordy, it made me feel so sexy and so cute. Like I told you guys, Halloween is when you can dress like, you know, something you've always wanted to be or something you would like to be, the era you would like to go to. This outfit right here is such a beautiful outfit. Like I told you guys, the bodysuit came on its own and it came with the head wrap and the gloves. I bought the boa itself on my own and the tights. I already have it at home. Paired with this nice beautiful heel right over here. Like it makes me just want to so cute. And this I bought it from another costume that you guys are about to see in a minute. So yeah, oh, so cute. Be careful though because there's no support for the chest area, so you either want to wear a boob tape or something, just, you know, hold you up a little bit up here. But this is what it looks like. Cute. I love the fringe on it. Such such a beautiful outfit, and you are still covered at the bottom area. You are so covered. You're not all the way exposed. Nobody can see your bum as much. This is such a beautiful outfit, and it came with the head thingy. Oh, so cute. Okay guys, the next outfit is the outfit of Cruella de Vil. Okay, I am cruel. I'm an innocent child, you know, I know nothing. All right. But this outfit was giving what it was supposed to have gave. It was given what it's supposed to have gave. All right guys, this is this one. It say keep it cruel. Right over here, it came with the jumpsuit with the arm. It came with the jumpsuit, and the jumpsuit does have this beautiful arm thingy right here. It came with the glove and the cigarettes, and then with the tag, I put it on with the belt, and I was feeling myself. Your girl was feeling herself in this Halloween costume. Really cute, really sexy, very beautiful. I got this in a size small medium, and the Cruella de Vil, the Party Like 20, I've also got it in a small medium. They are very stretchy. This one was a little bit snug, but you could still make it work, but I was looking fly. Oh, hi, this was so cute and so fabulous on your girl. Oh, girl was looking good in this one. I'm gonna put it on, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is the Keep It Cruel costume. Okay. Only thing about this is you gotta be real careful over here because, yeah, you're gonna have a lot of nip slips, so you need a lot, what do you call it? You need a nipple cover for this one before your nipples start showing everywhere. But this right here, it is such a gorgeous costume. It did come with this red gloves and also with this cigarette holder, and it came with this garter, and this is my own boots with the same type other outfit that I just showed you guys. But yeah, it's so cute. Cruella de Vil. I hope I represent you right. Okay, I don't know how to be mean. But yeah, it says this one is very cheeky, so the cheeks gonna be out. The boots, add the boot to it, and it took it up a notch. This is such a sexy costume. So those of us that wants to be sexy on Halloween, this costumes are the costumes for you. Okay, this ain't costumes to just wear and sit in the house. This is costume for you to go to a party with. I do know there's gonna be a lot of, you know, Halloween parties going on, so this is some good costume. Okay guys, the last outfit that I got is this one right here. Wow. Oh! This right here. This right here, no comment, no nothing. The only thing about this outfit that got me, it doesn't fit me well. It was big on my waist. I was pissed. I got it in a medium because I didn't know how stretchy it was gonna be. I could have gotten, they didn't have a small, medium or anything. They only have like a small, medium, and large. So I got the medium thinking it was gonna fit, like it was gonna snatch me up. But I made it work, guys. I couldn't put the hat on, the face thingy up, because girl, it's gonna mess up all this makeup, and it took me hours, okay, to get this face looking like this. So we ain't gonna mess it up. So I didn't put the hat on, but everything else was the ish. What's the bum? Bag it up. But this is such a beautiful Halloween costume. Really cute, really sexy. It is called Villainous Vixen. So it came with a two-piece, which is the bodysuits and the mask. Whoosha! I'm putting it on for y'all. I'm gonna put it on for y'all. Y'all, this is the last one. This costume, it just transforms you. Like, you put something on and you just get transformed into something else, man. Like, you can use this for BDSM. Like, ooh, it doesn't come with the whip. I bought the whip at Spirit of Halloween. But this is what the costume looks like. It does come with all of this already. It's already attached to it, so you don't really need to do much to it. You just need to pop it on. Came with the garter. Yeah, what y'all think? All these costumes are so interesting. Like, so interesting. It's more of a cheeky one also. And I told you guys it didn't fit me. So you guys see, it does have a lot of space right here, but it does still fit to the body and all that good. You can't tell me nothing in this one. Like, oh, all black. Like, you are dead to kill. Mess up, and I'm gonna whoop you. Like, pshaw! I'm feeling myself in all this costume. So cute. All of them are all kind of sexy Halloween costumes. So yeah, beautiful, huh? Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. Don't forget to go in the comment section and let me know which one you guys like best and which one you're copying for yourself. I would definitely be putting everything that I got, all the links, in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box, and any coupon that they have going on, I would definitely put it there, because I definitely know Fashionnova is having, I think, buy one get one off all Halloween costume at this time, so I'll definitely link that up for you guys. So guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Don't forget to let me know what you're doing for Halloween. All right guys, until next time.